In this video, you will learn how to write iterative tests by using the MevisLab Test Center. The iterative test functions are useful if the same test shall be executed for different input data. Add a local image and a DICOM tag viewer module to your workspace and connect them. Open the panel of the DICOM tag viewer and set tag name to Window Center. The value of the DICOM tag from the current input image is automatically set as value. Save the network. Start MevisLab Test Case Manager and create a new test called Iterative Test Case. First, define the directory of the files to be loaded for the test. In this case, we will use the MevisLab demo data and load the files proband T1 and T2. Add a list for test data to be used as input and a prefix for the path as seen in the video. The list contains an identifier for the test case, the file names and a numeric value. The numeric value is the expected value of the DICOM tag 281050, Window Center, for each file. Add the iterative Python function test Window Center to your script file. This function defines that another function test patient shall be called for each entry available in the list test data. Define the function test patient. Initially, the path and file name for the module local image are set. The data is loaded automatically. Then, the DICOM tree of the loaded file is used to get the Window Center value, import value. The final test functions assert equal, evaluate if the given values are the same. Open MevisLab Test Case Manager and select your package and test case. You will see two test functions on the right side. The identifiers of your test functions are shown as defined in the list. The test Window Center function now runs for each entry in the list and calls the function test patient for each entry using the given values. Extend your network by adding a View2D module and connect it with the local image module. Save your network. We now want to add a screenshot of the View2D module to our test report. Add the lines as seen in the video to the end of your function test patient. Run the test again and inspect your report. The report viewer now shows a screenshot of the image taken from the View2D. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.